Ooh, let's get hungry together. If you're on the hunt for a perfect summer pasta, this recipe is just for you. A Greek orzo pasta packed with fresh veggies and drizzled with a zingy dressing. It's the perfect picnic pairing or summer barbecue side. Elena Davis joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share. This is one of your all-time most popular pasta recipes.
Yes, for the summer. I would say for the summer. So there's lots of pasta salads. This one is so fresh. They're all fresh and yummy. I just think people gravitate towards this one. I don't know why. They're all popular.
You know what though? A cold pasta salad, this is my opinion, has to be good. I mean, because they can go not good quickly. Like cold pasta isn't necessarily a palate pleaser.
No. In fact, my mom, to be honest, doesn't eat cold pasta. So there's that.
Is that accepted in the Italian culture?
Yeah, no, it is. It's kind of a divide.
Is it?
It really is.
Okay.
Because they're two totally different things.
Yes.
And so my mom's just, I mean, she'll eat mine actually.
She better.
No one else's. Okay. And she won't make it.
We're starting with orzo.
It's so good. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the orzo. So this is DeLallo orzo. Okay. And the reason why I'm sharing the brand is because the DeLallo orzo is bigger. So I like it for pasta salad. Okay. Because when you're eating a pasta salad, you want a bite, you want to taste the pasta as well.
Substance.
Yeah. Normally, orzo from other brands tends to be a lot smaller because in Italy, we use orzo for soup. So it's smaller, so it doesn't, so anyway, that's what I prefer for the pasta salad. Or you can even use another small pasta. It doesn't have to be orzo, but I just love it for this.
Is this readily available at the grocery store? Okay, all right.
Any store.
No,
and I just like it because it's a little bit bigger. Yeah. And I think it goes well, but honestly, you can use any kind.
Do we follow the cooking instructions?
Yes. So you're just gonna follow cook al dente, and then you're going to drain it, not rinse it.
Here it comes.
Not rinse it.
Speaking of an Italian divide, we don't rinse?
No, you will hear rinse it to rinse the starches off, to cool it off faster, lay it on a flat sheet.
To keep it from sticking.
No.
Really?
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna serve it in a shallow bowl, which I love to do with pasta salad anyway. You're going to kind of mix it and wait till it cools just a little bit. Then you're going to toss in half of the dressing. While it's still warm, not steaming hot, but you're gonna kind of let the steam go. Then you're gonna put in half of the dressing, let it cool completely.
Okay.
So let it kind of stir it every 5 minutes.
Don't refrigerate, just let it sit out.
You can refrigerate it, but don't. No, it's not sitting out for hours or anything. Yeah. It takes like 15 or so minutes. Right. Maybe a little bit more for it to completely cool down.
And the dressing, does that have agents to help with the separation?
Yes. So it has your oil, it has your seasonings and all of the things, a little bit of lemon juice, and it's going to coat the pasta. The first thing that pasta is going to do is going to absorb the dressing, so it's going to be flavorful. If you've ever had a pasta salad where the pasta tastes so bland and you're like, give me all the sides so I can just...
It tastes like cold plastic.
Yeah. So this avoids it because we are seasoning the pasta while it's hot, while it's there, able to absorb all of those yummy, delicious flavors.
Yeah. What's the pink sauce going on?
Yes, so this is kind of funny because this is the red wine vinegar, and I put my mustard in here as well to just kind of dissolve it. Okay. So we're doing, and I just love to mix in a jar. Everything goes in the jar. So I have my olive oil, I have my garlic, I have my herbs, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of lemon, and I have that in here, and I'm gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper in here. And then I put my lid back on and I shake it. And that is my dressing. So I've already put half of that on here. Okay. And now the great thing is you can make this the night before. In fact, it's even better. You can make it whenever. Look at all these fun colors. Peppers,
tomatoes,
It's kind of fun to bring it to the table like this and then assemble it with all the different.
In rainbow order.
Yeah, just kind of like that. And it's just fresh and yummy, and it has all the different components that you want, a little unami, a little fresh, tomatoes. Yes. Then you have your herbs for a little bit of
basil.
Yeah, so we have basil and mint. Basil and mint.
Oh my gosh, now my mouth's puckering.
So we're putting all of that in there.
And smell it.
So So fresh.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
And
My heart is so happy.
This is from my garden. And a lot of these things, if you grow garden, you'll find in your garden. Tomatoes.
I'm so envious of you garden growers. One day.
Well, my mom does it. I just reap the rewards. It's the best
she
way
gets the pasta. So I think
do
it's a win-win.
Yeah.
Feta.
And then
are these
we have
pine
a little
nuts?
bit of feta. Yes, the pine nuts are optional. They add a little crunch. I add them at the end.
Okay.
And then
beautiful, Elena.
And then you're just going to do just about half, since I already did.
It's beautiful.
Some of it like that.
Yes.
And then we just toss.
Ooh, I can't wait to make this.
And it's so easy.
Okay.
This is just something that is great to bring. Bring it to a potluck, grill. Yes. It's a perfect size. It's got all the colors. It's so nice.
Let's eat Italian this summer. Elena will help us do that. You've got so many fantastic recipes. How can we follow along?
Yes, Cucina by Elena. So .com or on Instagram. I'll be going to Italy this month, so come follow while I go home and see my family. It's just such a good time.
Yes, she grows her own herbs and she summers in Italy, and we all just want to be her. So we'll link you over to her website. You'll be sharing little snippets of your summer.
Always.
We love to follow along. We love you. Thank you, you too, sister. This recipe linked on our website as well. Great job. Thank you so much.
See ya.